Who?
Everything.
Everything?
Netflix, HBO, GameStop, crypto.
The podcast?
Everything's going to the moon. We're shooting it up to the moon.
Okay.
I'm ready. Ready?
I'm ready.
Doge?
I've been in that.
Doge?
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 No.
Okay. You're not getting Doge. I didn't get Doge.
I was in Doge. I got out.
Can we actually talk about this shit? Do y'all know what really happened like with the whole stock market?
Yeah.
All right. Who wants to explain it? Or do y'all give a fuck?
I feel like Oscar wants to.
Yeah.
I mean,
I can explain it. You want me to explain it? All right. So, these big banks or hedge funds, whatever, they wanted to invest. They wanted to short a stock. Shorting a stock means they want to bet against a stock, basically.
That's what that means?
Yeah. They wanted to bet against a stock for GameStop.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, we think GameStop is a shitty business, and we're going to bet against them, and we think their stock is going to go down, so we're going to bet against them.
Mm-hmm.
And they did that, and then this forum on Reddit called Wall Street Bets were like, fuck them, let's all buy fucking GameStop.
Yeah.
So they bought GameStop.
How did they find out, though? That was my thing I was trying to figure out.
Public info.
someone
Oh, when they're going to short a stock, it's public information.
Yeah,
someone
kinda.
was just like, someone was
And they were talking about it publicly, yeah.
yeah,
Because when you're shorting a stock, you want to make it public so other people join you in shorting it. Because people are like, oh, it's an opportunity to make money, so they make it public just so they get other firms behind it. And people are like, yeah, let's do a short squeeze.
100 for GameStop was being shorted by like 140%.
And how do they short it?
Huh?
How
It's
do they
just
short it?
you better get stock.
Yeah,
'cause
you just do put in a order.
got-
You borrow it. You're basically borrowing the stock for $1, and then you're giving it back at a lower price. It's like some weird thing you make.
yeah,
money
so
on.
they do options, right? So
Okay.
they'll buy a put to short the stock. And so basically what they're doing is, if let's say GameStop is at $10 and they if they get enough people to short the stock, they can bet that maybe it's going to hit $5, right? So it's going to lower it. Them GameStop losing money puts money into hedge funds' pocket.
And GameStop will go out of business. Or am I
Nah, they wouldn't.
No, they want to go out of the business.
They
It's just
just have a rough. They have a rough time, but they wouldn't.
Okay.
they always give retail sector like a rough time.
Yeah.
But then what happened was these niggas on Reddit was like, fuck these niggas. If we get enough people to buy the shares and drive the price up,
They would owe the money.
they lose money. And then the
Yeah,
money that
okay.
they have to sell back, because they have to buy back the stock regardless. But now someone has to buy it. They have to sell it for a higher price, and no one's going to buy it when GameStop is at $3.40. You get what I'm saying? So the farther away they get from $5, the more a hedge fund is going to lose money.
And also what happened was a bunch of hedge funds were like, oh, after seeing what happened, they're like, oh, Citron's going to get fucked. Let's fuck them even harder. So other banks joined in even, and they bought GameStop too. So hedge funds buying GameStop too. They're the ones that made people making it seem like, oh, the millionaires lost the money. No, they made the most money out of this whole situation.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, the hedge funds, a couple hedge funds got fucked, like Citron and I forgot the other one's
Melvin
name.
Capital
Melvin
got-
Capital.
But
Bankrupt.
people that weren't involved profited off this shit.
Oh, although not really.
No.
A lot of people are getting
Yeah.
fucked. A lot of people bought Bitcoin. Bitcoin. They bought GameStop at fucking $350.
Oh, that's different.
Crash.
You're an idiot if you did
There's
that.
a lot of people that did that.
Yeah, you're stupid.
300. Yeah, tons of people did that. Yeah,
I missed out. I sat down. I was like, well,
a
next
lot
time.
of people did that, and they're gonna get fucked.
But then the SEC came out of nowhere, and they were like,
It wasn't the SEC, I don't think. But
yeah.
Nah, they were
the
a part
SEC,
of it.
The
They
SEC came out of nowhere, and they were like, fuck these niggas, we got to monitor this shit now.
Yeah.
'Cause now it's...
Robinhood
because
sent
they
me
can
like a
take toll.
fucking email. It was like, yo, like,
Yeah,
we're
it could
stopping-
definitely it could definitely take a toll because it misrepresents what the value really is. Because GameStop, honestly, GameStop isn't worth at 350. So it's
not
like
worth a nickel.
So it's like, yo, like
It's
you're-
worth
you're
whatever they give me
misrepresent-
my Xbox back for.
Yeah, you try to sell that shit back, they give you like $1 for that shit.
Whatever my Xbox is worth, nigga, that's how much that stock should be worth. Fuck out of here, like.
But it's
You
basically
can start to play your shit.
SEC was like, yo, you guys are really misrepresenting the value of GameStop right now, and it's
Okay.
not. And they were gonna do the same shit to Nokia. They was gonna do the same shit to AMC. They was gonna do the same shit to
AMC
Bed Bath
did
&
go
Beyond.
up.
Huh?
Or
No, they stopped.
it?
They stopped selling. No, they certain trading platforms stopped the selling
Yeah, that was
and
fucked
buying
up.
of AMC.
you want to know the real reason they stopped the trade?
because White's is mad.
No,
Oh.
Niggas is-
no, for real. It's people think
Oh, I was
that
gonna say some
no,
stupid
people think
shit.
it's like some corrupt shit. It's not. It's just they literally Robinhood. When Robinhood buys a stock on your behalf, they don't pay with your money. Because the money comes in like later, so they have to like put their own money up as collateral and buy the stock. And then fucking thousands of people are buying GameStop. They don't physically have the collateral to put up. to cover those bets.
Niggas is broke.
Yeah, they don't have the money. They don't have. They literally have to get credit just to buy stocks on
funny.
people's behalf. So they're like, nah, we gotta shut this down. So now, right now, you could buy GameStop on Robinhood.
So that's why my $7 didn't go through.
Yeah. $7.
I tried to buy $7 worth of Doge. It was like, yo, you still got 27 cents left there, buddy.
Yeah.
But it was
Use
dope.
that.
Niggas was profiting, but then at the same time, all my Twitter feed was just GameStop, GameStop, and
I
I'm
haven't
like,
been on
damn.
Twitter in so long.
I'm like,
yo.
damn, all these niggas now think they're stock traders off of one fucking.
Hey, fuck it. To the
You know,
moon.
people are working from home. People are fucking bored.
Yeah, nah, I get it. Like,
money
fuck-
to blow on and something.
Definitely fuck the hedge funds niggas though. Like,
I mean,
niggas
hedge funds made the most money. It was just a couple hedge funds. Those two hedge funds got fucked. Citron and Melvin Capital.
that shit
Yeah.
was mad funny.
We're going to the moon, boys.